Discussions can be used in many ways in your online course. Depending on your instructor's preferences, they may set up discussion topics with specific instructions related to an assignment, or they may just create an open discussion forum for students to use for comments and questions related to the course content. Discussion forums can be used for interaction between students, as well as conversations with your instructor. You'll often find the discussion link within your content area. Here, this discussion has the explanation of what's expected, as well as a link to that discussion topic. Click on the topic name to go to the discussion. On this topic page, you'll see buttons to compose a message, refresh the list, mark all postings as read, and access additional actions such as subscriptions and search. Below this, you'll see the instructions that your instructor has left for this topic. In this case, you're supposed to introduce yourself to your classmates, tell them why you're taking the course, what your goals are, and a fun fact about yourself. Then, you're expected to respond to at least one other student's post. Below that is a list of all the posts made by other students. Click on the subject name to view the individual post. To compose a post, click on the blue Compose button, and a new window will open for you to post a message. Enter a subject, and below that is the message field. You'll notice some simple editing tools along the top that let you format your text. You can choose between a basic interface or an advanced interface that looks much more like a word processor. You can stick to very simple text, or you can use formatting like bold, italic, or you can even add bulleted or numbered lists, add tables, include hyperlinks, select URL, enter a full web address in the URL field, then add text that will be linked from your post. Select New Window and Insert, or add pictures. If you can either upload a file from your computer, or you can enter the URL for an image you have found online. It's best to include some alternate text, which helps screen readers and other users identify the subject of the image. Enter some descriptive text in the alternative text field, then click the OK and Done buttons. You can increase the size of the editor by clicking on the arrow button here to switch to full screen mode, or click it again to return to the normal size. Or look at a preview of your post by clicking the preview button. You can also subscribe to your message so that you get an email alert when somebody responds to your post. You can also attach a file or record a small audio clip. When you're ready, you can click the Post button to post. However, keep in mind that once you post a message, you won't be able to edit or remove it. Be sure that you proofread your message before you click the Post button. To view somebody else's post, click on the subject. This will open a new window with the message. To reply to the post, click the blue Reply button and type in your message. The same options are available as when you composed a message, including formatting, subscription, adding attachments or recordings, and post. You can also access discussions by clicking on the Discussions link in the nav bar. Here you'll see a list of all the different topics. However, you may not know which order the topics go in. It's best to go by the content area. One benefit to coming to this area, however, is you can filter the topics by the unread messages to identify where you may have messages that you haven't seen yet. Additionally, you can change the settings for your own view of the discussion area under the Settings link at the top. There are a lot of different options for your discussion settings, and you should try which one works best for you, the course you're taking, and your screen size. Here we'll switch to the reading style to show you the difference. Now click Save. In reading mode, you'll see all of the posts in a threaded view expanded so you can read them one after the other. This is great for following a conversation without having to click a lot of links.